Prepare a 150 kilograms of swine brewer ration with 16% CP or crude protein using a rice bran with 12% CP and fish meal with 55% CP. So as usual, step 1, we should lay the given. So unsa may given na diri ah. So first is our desired CP or itong nutrient requirement for a swine grower ration. Desired CP is 16%. Then for the feedstuffs, we have two, rice bran and fish meal. Rice bran is 12% CP. Then fish meal has 55% CP. And then how many or what is the total ration needed? So based sa ato ang problem, kung kaganiya is 100 kg, karon is naging 150 na siya. Total ration needed is 150 kilograms. Okay, so that is step 1. Step 2 is to create square. So, as usual lang, ibutang na to sa center sa square is the desired CP. So, butangan na to 16. And then for this side, this area, it should lay the feedstuff. So, rice bran is 12%. Then, fish meal, or let's put FM na lang para shortcut. Then, we should crisscross, no, to subtract the desired CP from the CP of different feedstuffs. So, ang fish meal, 55 minus 16. So, that yields to 39. And then, rice bran subtracted with 16. So, 12 minus 16, or pwede rin siya 16 minus 12. So, that yields to 4. So, these are the parts per each feedstuff. So, 39 is for rice bran, parts, rice bran or RB. And then, 4 parts for fish meal. And then, for this part, 39, we add 39 to 4. So, kung kanina is nag-minus ta from target or desired CP to different feedstuffs, crude protein, karon ang parts is ato siyang i-total to get the total parts. So, 39 plus 4 is 43. So, that is our total parts. Now, for step 3, we will divide, no, the part per each feedstuff to the total parts and then times 100. So, for rice bran or RB, we should get the 39 divided by how many is the total parts? 43. 43, and then we times it to 100. 39 divided by 43 times 100, that is 90.70% rice bran or RB. Next is for fish meal. So 4, which is the part of fish meal, divided by the total parts, which is 43, and then times 100. So that would be 9.30% fish meal. So, if we add these two up, ma-check na to na it totals to 100%. So, that is step 3. No? Para klaro lang po na in each ration, there would be 90.70% rice bran and then 9.30% fish meal. And that is for every 100% of the swine grower ration. Now, let us proceed sa determining kilograms per feedstuff. So, for rice bran, let us take the 90.70 and convert it into decimal. So, mahimo na siyang 0.9070. Then, we times it with how many is the total ration needed. So, we multiply this number with 150 kilogram. 0.9070 times 150. So, the answer would be 136.05 kilogram rice bran. Now, for fish meal, again, the same idea sa rice bran, no? So, we convert the 9.30% into decimal. So, mahimo siyang, by moving into two decimal points, so mahimo siyang 0.0930. This is for fish meal. And then, we multiply it with 150 kilogram. So, the amount of fish meal per feedstuff, or the amount of the fish meal per 150 kilogram ration is times 150 is equals to 13.95 kilogram fish meal. So, if we check the two, let's see if nitongtong siya 150 kilograms ang total, okay? So, 136.05 plus 13.95, and now we get 150 kilograms. So, that's check. Let us also encircle or box this. Now, for the checking na part, let us take this number. So, the 90.70% for the rice bran. So, let us label po dahil what that unsan siya na number. This is for what feedstuff. So, 90.70, and then let's go back kung pila ang CP content sa rice bran. So, makita na to dito sa given that it is 12%. So, if we convert the 12% into decimal, so may mo siyang 0.12. Okay? So, the answer would be 0.12. The answer would be 10.88% CP for rice bran. And then for fish meal, we have to take the 9.30 times or multiply it with its CP content from the given. So 55%, convert it into decimal. So that would become 0.55, no? So 9.30 times 0.55 is 5.12% CP fish meal. Let us check if na total siya sa desired CP, which is 16%. So, if it's not 16% ang answer, then there's something wrong sa imuhang solution from step 2, step 3, and or step 4. So, 10.88 plus 5.12 is equals to 16 CP. So, that goes to show na tama ato ang solution.